Alright, we can't let yesterday go unanswered. So, man, I got multiple gut punches yesterday. First, we'll start off with stocks. Shoot, they didn't save my, my list of things from yesterday. So, it was, WDC. It's funny, because I, was talking about my stop adjustment. Instead of taking out the whole bar, I would have, something a little bit sooner based off of observations, and they ended up not taking the bottom. They got me right down to the wick here, and then they never hit it again. Although, it still would have been a loss at the end, about $500 off. My loss yesterday, at least on stream, was 1,500. I recollected my thoughts. I said I was gonna stop, but I actually didn't. There was too much time left. And after that initial move was settled, I did some scalping. I managed to get it down to $588. Let me show some trades here. So I got a short in Tesla. I got stopped out here, and then I tried it again. Cover. One long here. And then I also did Roku. Roku, come on. Show my Roku trades. There we go. So one short, I held it a little bit. Finally broke through. This thing went up for an hour without pulling back, and then I managed to get this short in, and then one really quick short here. Man, these things ran in the afternoon. There's my Friday shit right there. Friday was not good. Turn this crap off. But yeah, the strategy did not work yesterday. If we did it the original way, then we wouldn't have gotten stopped out, but we still would have settled for a loss. There's a few things that I learned yesterday. One, I was able to screen out, yeah, multiple punches in the gut. Give me a second to finish up. Yeah, so on stream, $1,500 loss. I couldn't do that. It's difficult to, you know, I don't like to do scalping, which is why I did it I'm doing the longer term full day trade to get the full movement of the stock based off its ATR, or at least a good portion of it. I had to recollect my thoughts. Did Tesla and Roku, got it down to 588. Still took a loss, but it was better than if we had just followed the strategy in this case. You know, WDC is interesting. So there was 4 different stocks that we could have chosen yesterday. One of them was Square. Let's see if the other ones are on here, actually. No, not Tesla. I think it was PDD was another one. So there's 4 different stocks, and we chose the one that didn't work out, the one that didn't actually go to target and do anything. Square would have been an amazing one, but the reason why I went with one of the reasons I went with WDC was it was on NASDAQ, and the nicey stuff is delayed. At least the P&L is delayed, but it's funny, the charts aren't. Price action isn't, but the P&L is. And on Friday, I was able to verify with another site that the data that was showing on the chart was actually accurate. So we can open up with nicey stuff again. I just have to be really conscious of, you know, everything that's being shown on the P&L once it shows up is not going to be accurate. Anyway, WDC, I tried to see if there was any way we could screen this out, if there was anything different, and there's actually something really different about WDC. So I now have to scan for anything that's irregular with the average true range. This thing has had some mini gaps and then one big gap, and those large changes in price actually led to a big discrepancy in the ATR. You can see that if you take a look at the 5-day compared to the 20-day, there's a 30% difference in price. That's irregular. I mean, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's... Usually I use my ATR to know that a target's going to get hit, but if something's really irregular, something that's so outside of its normal range, it has to be something to do with news, and that could be... if I don't get it on the right day or the right couple of days, and that means it's gonna, gradually peter out and die, and we actually grabbed it on the petering out and die time period. There's also the fact that it tried to retouch this high, so now it's gonna go reverse. That's another factor. I can't really screen for that. I have to look at it, but given the amount of time that I have to like scan around and make my executions, I can't do that all the time. I tried doing that with some scripts that are here, which is why I go for all 4 aspects lighting up before I make an entry, and this one did, because it is higher than the previous day. It's outside of its range, but I can't see this one, and I at least want to make sure that it's outside of the previous day's range, because it's going to go up that way unless it runs into this. But, the one way that I can screen this out is the irregularity based off of... This one beat its earnings, I believe, yeah. So so they thought that they were going to get -$1.29, and instead it was -69, so they almost doubled their earnings beat there. Anyway, we're running out of time here, so yeah, double gut punch. So, stocks were shit. The interview that I did, that I studied for 2 days for, didn't work out. Couple of personal things came up. So there's multiple punches all yesterday that I had to contend with. But we're moving forward here. So what do we got here? In terms of the overall month, let me open up my spreadsheet here. So we took a loss yesterday, and I am going to call that one a stop out, even though we adjusted what a stop means. I changed things up a little bit to make sure now we have a better risk-reward. Risk-reward is really hard to do if you're doing scalps, because things are happening so fast you can't say, oh, I anticipate it's going to go here, and then, do a little line and say how much of a difference it is. At least not in this tool. Maybe in, maybe in a different tool you can do that quicker. But I haven't had the ability to do that. With this program, it's just a little too slow to do that. I have to do something like, this, and like show label or something, so I can see like what the risk reward is. But things are just so fast on the 1 minute that I can't do it. I usually have it so I lose 1 bar and I gain a few bars, but those losses can happen multiple times, so it's kind of skews using that as a risk reward option. But some scalpers teach it working that way, because it is difficult to do that quickly. You might be able to do it on the 5 minute, but now we trade on the 15 minute. I have an easy way of doing the targets for the day. The stop should manage out the risk reward, and then we have the edge on our side, so everything should be on here now. But we'll see going forward. But I am running out of time to do this. I should have been, so profitability is easy. We've been profitable since I started doing this as my main gig. But last month we didn't make much. We made, Jesus Christ, we only made $400 last month. It was only one big win at the end that put me over. Last month was pretty difficult. And then this month, I thought I was gonna get the goal, like, within the first week and a half, and then I ran into, events that I thought were more rare than usual, so that caused me to have to adjust the way that we do the stops on this. So, anyway, that's a long wrap-up, and we're already in the market right now. Mortals reminds me of, Shang Tsung on Mortal Kombat. Mortals. Well, A-Carpet, I hope your work went well yesterday. Prego Biddies, good morning. King Phillips, good morning. Done my spiel. Done my speech, so now all we got is looking for what the opportunities are. Adjusted this script. We have less to look at. PDD. Man, what a drop that was. I skipped this one because the drop was so severe, but it did break below and then it hit the target. I don't remember if this bar was outside of its risk-reward range or not. Because I'm targeting a certain movement of the stock and it does it, there's too big of a move right off the bat, then it's not really the best plan. So let's see, we have the same ones from yesterday, Square and PDD. Square is going up again. I doubt it's probably gonna reverse. We could play a reversal, but that's gonna have to be like a scalp-oriented thing. Vietnamese farmer hat. Oh, when you go over there? This week is Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. on the register. That's a long day, man. All on your feet. That's a long-ass time. When I worked at a grocery store, I didn't have, it wasn't my full-time thing, so I very rarely got anything that long. Jeez. I might have put too many filters on my shit. Nothing's coming up. We still got 10 minutes left, but now I'm gonna have to look for like a scalp or something here. And this is a nicey stock, so it's a little bit scary to do this. We just happen to know what our stop is, which is this, if we do go in. But I'm not gonna be able to see how much I'm losing. It's $45 a month to subscribe to live data to Nicey, so we're don't know if it's worth doing it. Alright, double touch. We'll do the stop here. I told you I hate scalping, so we're gonna do this thing. I want to do my strategy where I can set and forget it and not let emotions dick me. Step into me. Give it up to me. Give it up, baby. Give it up to me. Keep going. I will flatten your ass if you get above the open. Get down there, you bitch. Alright. 228 bucks in a few seconds, that's pretty good. That gives us a little bit of buffer, but I hate fucking scalping. Paying that much is horseshit. Yeah, I agree. That's why I'm... Although, if I can get... See, like, what happened there, I wasn't actually adequately showing my P&L, but, you know, I'm using the charts, like, as long as I know that this is accurate, I can still do it. It's just a little bit scary to see if I'm down, like, $1,000 when I'm not actually down $1,000. Well, shit, look at that, there was follow-through. 228, this could have been a bigger monster. So, that's one of the things that's a problem when I'm scalping. I don't go... I get stuck in these jitters. Even though we're on a 5-man, I get into these jitters, and I never see the thing through all the way that I could see it, which is why I switched the way that I want to do things. But that was a picture-perfect reason why I do that. We might be able to short it again if it gets back up here. But that's the exact reason why I get out of it. Let's run the scans again. I don't like what's going on here. We got Texas Instruments. Man, everyone was so cool with their fucking graphing calculators. Back in the day, putting on little... That snake game. Yeah, TI-83, there you go. That's the shit right there. Super Mario Brothers, yeah, there you go. All this math you could do with it, and you're putting video games on your fucking calculator. I don't know if we're gonna get a, entry. Now that's another signal too. I marked down in our chart how many times we don't get an entry. So maybe I over-filtered it now. If we don't get an entry today, then that means it's 5 days this month that we didn't get an entry, so we're gonna have to figure something else out. We could have made this into a longer-term play, but it... I want to go with the trend, not try to get scalped against it. Okay, what if I take out this ATR increase thing? Just for a second. So UPS... UPS, what is going on with UPS? Oh, Jesus. UPS might be a possibility. Oh no, this is a massive goddamn fucking shit. Did you guys not deliver enough packages on Christmas? Or this is the post-Christmas dump because you can't go anywhere? Oh, this is outside of my range now, so this is 79% of the range today, so I'm not gonna do this one. Although my labels might be fucked. See, that's another thing, my labels might be fucked. The price chart might be true, but the labels might be using old data. That could be a possibility. What do we got here? What's the top of this? Yeah, let's go back to SQ. Okay, SQ, forming the bottoming tail. Yeah, I'm feeling like we should do another smaller short on it, but we are going against power. but I do not see anything going on today. Now we got a bottom, but if I go for a low lower than this low, there's going to be a possibility of a smack in the face at some point. They fucked up your luggage order. Oh yeah, let's take them to 0 then. PPL says 0. Why do you go for these 0 volume stocks, man? There's a reason why people don't do these things. You're not gonna outsmart hedge funds. We got teams of analysts looking at that stuff. Maybe sometime you might get one thing that they didn't get, or they were already pre-buying it. But there must be things outside of the numbers that aren't being taken into account. Alright, let's try this. But we gotta break this low here. See, look at that, it's already saying I'm down $370. That's not accurate. So we're praying for a low lower than that previous low, but if we get a, if we get dicked, we're gonna have to flatten. Alright. Another little scalp. I can't remember what we had last time, but it bounced right off the low here, so I'm not gonna keep that. We'll have that $200. I don't know if we made anything off of that exchange. 2013, they had 15 million in assets and no debt. Today, over $1 billion in assets and no debt. Wow, that's a lot. Well, we're doing the scan thing here. I don't see anything else. We just did a few scalps to get 255 within the first 15 minutes, but that's not gonna help me. Do I have to do Tesla scalps then? Is that what it's gonna come down to? I guess today is gonna be a day I don't get an entry. I thought Tesla was gonna have an update today. Alright, so I guess we do 5-minute scalps. Alright, let's get very conscious of where we are here. We gotta pray for a low lower than the previous low. If we don't, we're gonna get out of this really fast. I'm thinking there's gonna be a bounce here off the 20-period moving average. Because yesterday was really strong for Tesla. It was strong for everybody. Taking off one share lot here. Like I said, I hate fucking scalping, but we're gonna do it today because I have no other option. Uh-oh. Get down here. I like to be better at 60 than I did at 20. Alright, we're about to get punked on Tesla. Yeah, you fucked me, Tesla. Get down there. Okay, you didn't take out that candle. This is our ultimate stop here. I want to get it down here. That would be a good good risk reward. But the 15-minute time period's already elapsed. We had no entry. Now, usually it makes a lower low. Once you get this bounce here, it makes a lower low. So we're gonna have to see. Usually this is people covering, or some people might get suckered in to buy. Well, we'll see. Man, no entry today, huh? We can still enter, but something has to come up across the scanner here. so there's people covering. Ah, Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna have to get out of this. Fuck. See where it closes. 3 minutes left. This is gonna take out half my profits. Well, now it's off of the 20-period moving average on the 1 minute. Having a problem breaking through this. What the hell is this arbitrary line? Was that my, Okay, there we go. Looks arbitrary until you roll it up. And yeah, this is the thing that you put together just literally a couple minutes ago. Alright, you're fucked. Let's see this. Get down here, bitch. Getting ready to stop myself out, because now I'm a little bit more heavy in here. Fuck! Retest. Two minutes left. That is a bit stronger of a bounce than I would like. Alright, fuck it. They took our profits. God damn it! Yeah, I was off the 20-period moving average there, so fuck. Alright, well, we have a little loss today. So WDC, what do we got here? So... Oh, but this is in between moving averages, don't want that. Tesla's bouncing. There is a resistance line here. Could try it. But we're going up against, So, the trend is up. Had a really good up day. But we're also going up against near-term resistance. So we're down slightly right now after that, square win, square bounce. Look at that bounce, damn. So at this point, we're gonna have to reconfirm a failure. So either we're looking for a low lower than this low, but this actually did reverse. And that's a pretty incredible reversal. You'd want to see a partial green bar and then lower than a lower low. Chia pudding. You're not trading today, fuck that. Tuesdays are my worst days. If I just eliminated Tuesdays, that would help. Alright, so this is double tap on resistance, right? Okay, did not want to go down. Then got a tail, but this thing is still being corrected. So you went up against resistance. You hit resistance. You're deciding where you want to go. Really strong bar to the upside here. But you didn't really come from a good origin point. That doesn't help our P&L right now, because you just now are negative 250. Man, this happened to have no entries for me today. Oh, well, that's also a skill too, just not going in on days where you don't have entries. So we're gonna wait and see what happens here. We gotta wait for a close. Got 3 minutes left. This is not looking like it wants to die. I wanted to see a resettlement either around a high from yesterday or this 20-period moving average, so I want to see it kind of grind down there. It ain't gonna be easy to hold that shit, though. 2 minutes left. Not a great bar. Maybe we'll just call it good for the day if we lose this one. We'll do another scan, or at least try to fiddle around with the scanner to see if there's anything else that we're missing that could have come up. Oh, Microsoft earnings today too. I might play that. That's gonna be extremely dangerous. So it came into this gap area here. Okay, one share lot off. But we needed to close. We need to have a real good close here. That's not good. Looks like it just grabbed some stops to go higher. We got one lot. Hmm, 10 seconds left. What do we look like on the 1 minute? Multiple attempts to get above this line. At any point, it can break it. Still looks like it wants to hold. It did make a lower low here, but then it reversed, so we gotta look to... Gotta get ready to kill ourselves here. This week will be untradeable until tomorrow. One thing I didn't have, I didn't look to see if there was economic news today. I didn't look at that calendar thing before I, signed on. Didn't have enough time. Hasn't broken the low here. Stuck in the middle. The recent action is a pop to the high. Get ready to flatten here. Fuck. Gonna break it for good? Yep, alright. Well, fuck. so we're down 400 something. Well, we're not in a trade. Let me see what news we're going. Any news events here, if there was one. Job openings, consumer confidence. Those things haven't come up yet. It actually will happen in 3 minutes. Maybe you'll get a rollover then. The Square kept going down. Square would have been a good short to keep. Oof. Still running up into resistance. I keep wanting to, do this here. Man, now it looks like even better, but this has a... Could try one more shot. That'd be, tomorrow's the Fed rate decision. I thought they didn't do that until February. Let me see. Yep, federal funds rate. And then non-farm payroll shit. But we did have news in 2 minutes, the job openings and consumer confidence. Maybe that'll knock things lower. But nothing came up on the scan, so this is a day where we just didn't get anything. So that gives you some information too. So this will be the 5th day this month that didn't have an entry. And we're still down, but we're not down that much. We're down 300 something. 373. Okay, well, WDC, the fuckers that fucked me yesterday, going down. Sure to figure that would happen. Plus on the 15 minutes. That's a pretty strong bar. I'd be amazed if it took out the high, though. It has been getting beaten down recently, though, so maybe we shouldn't be able to... We wouldn't be able to plan what it's gonna do. Oh god, Firm is just... Jesus. Yeah, there ain't shit going on here. Roku could be along above the high here. It did touch its reset location that I'd be looking for. We're doing this thing. Oh, shit. Alright, try this again. So I don't have enough buying power to get 800 shares. Shit, it bounced off that damn same area here. Go, go, go! Down, down, down! Mine, mine, mine! As Daffy Duck would say. So at this point, it really does look like it's gonna reset. But we're probably barely gonna break even. I don't think we're gonna get profitable today. Well, that's a good reason to wait for the news events, because they're just gonna fuck around until those that time gets hit. So the numbers have been released. Looks like there's more openings. Consumer confidence went down a little bit, and openings are better than expected. Oh, wait a minute, no, I read the numbers wrong. Everything's good, actually. Shit. Alright, fuck. So we're gonna have to see how this changes or affects the stock market here. We're able to get a few shares off the table, but got a bottom here. Let's look at the 15 real quick. Gonna have to take a little bit more profit out here, unfortunately. Gotta reduce some of these losses, maybe get a better setup later. Let me know if the audio's better today, since we got rid of all that other bullshit. Ay, 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 ay. Well, if it can break the first 15-minute candle, it'll be golden. But it's got some work to do. We still are up on... We got a little bit of a padding from Square earlier, but our loss in Tesla's a little bit higher than that. Alright, I'm gonna have to, might need to flatten here and go for another entry if it breaks below here. Five-minute looks okay, but we really need to break this. Target is somewhere lower than this low. So let's see you do that. I guess we're gonna try to break even on this one. Maybe $200 is as good as it gets today. Lurking at work. Are you still doing remote work, or are you in the office with me on headphones? Alright, let's get down here a little bit more. Ah, shit, don't pop up on me, man. So now we're negative on it. Getting a little bit of a bounce on the market. Ah, god damn it, somehow we made things worse. Fuck! Alright. We're fucked for the day. Yeah, that's not good at all. Looking for another low, the thing didn't fucking break. Quite an abrupt turnaround. I wanted to see it take out this bar, but that loss is going to be pretty significant. And we're still going against the trend here, too. But we're doing it because this drop-off was so strong. And it really could use a reset down here at some point. But if it closes above here, then I think we should close our other position and probably just call it good for the day, because we're not going to get... we have no entries. We've lost our scalps. Still nothing on the list. This is a really big back and forth here. But we have this thing wanting to hold a low. But we took out the upside move here and did another retest, so this is just momentary pain. You think I should wait until after 7:15 my time? The thing is that with my current strategy, we didn't do the strategy today, but with that, most of the stock's move is going to be done by then. So it's very little risk to reward after that point. I used to do the open, and now I wait 15 minutes to get that initial action, and I think that should be fine. But waiting 45 minutes from the open to trade is a little bit too far. Because then you're running into, you got like an hour to trade before the volume starts dropping off because of lunch hour, and also the European market closes, and then you have to wait until power hour. So that's my argument for that. Long 7:30 my time, you have a feeling? You might be right. Because it made a higher low. But, you know, if it does take us out, I think we're probably done. Got a battle against the, momentum versus initial price action. Good drop, retest fail. But we still have this low to contend with if we're gonna get any lower, otherwise it's up. Still struggling to get above here, but it needs to take out this candle for sure. At least take this thing out. Yeah, we got a bottoming tail on the futures, so let's see how that affects everything else going on. Yeah, Tesla takes some nerves to do it. But look at its average move is $10, so if you just put 100 shares into it and we're able to at least get half of that, that's pretty good. Alright, take this order at least. Alright, so let's see if you get some follow-through, or this is just a cock tease. Let's take out another one. I think I doubled it. Let's get down here a little bit. Come on, baby. At least lower my cost basis. Can you lower my cost basis, baby? Ah, shit, another fucking fail. Okay, we're about to get wrecked. Yeah, there's no way I can swing anything. I'm not gonna use margin, and I don't, I'd have to create a separate account for it. Alright. Cost basis has been raised. See if I can get one more swipe at the bottom before it runs up. Yeah, there is a nice bottoming tail on the futures. I want to see a reset here. They're sure making a damn show of it. 15 minutes still looks strong. Well, if we get wrecked, we're not gonna get wrecked as bad as we were. Only minor disfigurement. See if you can break this low, buddy. Bah. Breaking the low. Wah, wah. No fill? The fuck am I gonna do with 23 shares? Okay, another tail. I mean, I want you down here, man. Higher high. Or higher low, shit. Get your words right. Keep in mind, it's way earlier for me than it is for some of you. So I say dumb stuff. Brain not engaged. Alright, we're about to get fucked. Excuses, excuses. You gonna fill out my 23 shares here, man? It does look like it wants up, though, but I think it needs a reset. Alright. Go to the goal, motherfucker. $15 minutes still looks really strong. Definitely need this fucker gone, but it looks like we're gonna get fucked here. Yeah, get ready to stop. Get ready for the stop out. least you were nice enough to take out that 23 share hanging fruit there. Alright, yeah, we're fucked. Let's see how we close, though. You gonna leave another topping tail? Man, I can't believe there was nothing today. PDD, Texas Instruments... Oh, General Electric, huh? I think it might be a little bit too late to go into it. Holy shit, General Electric. Fuck. I'm gonna have to review the footage to see how early that thing came up on the list, because I didn't see it earlier. I saw Texas Instruments and PDD. Could have done Texas Instruments. Alright, waiting for a close here. Because right now it's just doing a run-up. What a nasty-ass chart. So it's actually getting weaker on the 1 minute. We're getting these, pretty strong reversals on it. That is a nasty, nasty thing. But the Bulls are winning out. Abrupt stop of this drop-off here. Retest the low, couldn't do it. Higher low. But we're still, you know, can't take anything out completely. Because they're making lower highs, too. This is just not shit that you'd want to trade. Alright, getting to the moment of truth here. We're on a new 5-minute candle. We're gonna have to see how much enthusiasm there is to move upwards. Market's kind of doing the same thing, too. It's like hugging against the average on its way down, but then it also has like a, you know, general momentum higher, but short term, it's kind of hugging. So we're waiting for a breakout one way or another. The Bulls have control, more of the control points. But I'm still in it, I want to go swap back and forth here. Meanwhile, in Texas Instruments, which we should have played, you know, we could still play it. Let's just let it do its thing. Alright, again, we're getting fucked here. Not a super fan of where this stop is at. Alright, this isn't going to be a very good risk to reward, but I don't think that stop is very good. We were a little bit too late on it. Alright, we're about to get taken out here. So this is goodbye. No reset. Okay, let's see candle close. Well, depending on what the points are, some of that stuff is automatic. Some of the stuff will just come up. Alright, did not close. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna have enough buying power for Tesla if I'm in Texas Instruments, so let me reduce my size. Alright. Very tricky, Tesla is. So you mean quit as in, yeah. When it becomes a burden that you can't afford anymore. I've tried trading during work. I've tried trading just as its own thing. And so far it's not working either way. So we're at the end. We're getting towards the end for me. What the fuck? Why didn't the alert go off? So sometimes I like to do this shit to take out stops and then roll it over, so I'm gonna give it a second before we call it. Yep, this is it. Alright, they did it. Fuck. Good for you. Good for you. God damn it. Texas Instruments had a bounce too, so we're just gonna have like a loss day here. So we had Square, which followed through. Tesla did not. We're gonna have to see what Texas Instruments does. This is, got a bottoming tail here now. Entry was 161.75. So that was down here. Should probably exit out of this one too. Let me see here. Not quite. I'm still kind of curious to see if these labels are wrong. I'll have to check that later. I don't think they... it's debatable if they are or not, because I was able to enter into Square last week based off of them. Okay, that's right. No, I think they are right. Okay. Yep, that's what the prevailing logic is. Invest a hold. There's just, you know, like I said, even with a winning strategy, and even if you have, I think my risk rewards could be better, but, even if you have a winning strategy and you're making profits, like I'm making profits, it's still not more than what a full-time job would be. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but, you know, I had a few really bad losses this month, and even if I was able to reduce those losses to something that was expected, it still wouldn't have made it. So... and my account size is not small. You could do something higher risk like a penny stock, but bigger risk, bigger, you know, bigger risk you can get fucked. Tesla didn't have follow through. It's going all the way to the open, man. Unbelievable. No reset on it. It did have a strong day yesterday, but I was expecting something more like of what Square did today. You know, kind of this reset area. If I get a target for my... Why is my P&L two different amounts? Because this is based off of the... I don't have like a full Thinkorswim doesn't have a way of seeing the full thing. I have to log into my broker statement, so my P&L is showing what I have currently on the stock that I'm in. So, like, if I see Texas Instruments, this one's gonna be wrong because I'm in... Oh, no, this is right. This is NASDAQ, so I'm down... Damn, I am down on this fucking thing. Alright, I guess we're done. It's based off of the... So I'm down 775 on Tesla. I am up 225 on Square. And then I'm down 127 on Texas Instruments. So it's based off of whatever stock I'm looking at. Oh, if you're talking about there's profit and loss per day and there's profit and loss open, P&L day is considering that I had 500 shares in it and I sold 200 shares. So now it's gone against me from where I had profit, so that's the difference between the two. So the overall profit and loss for the day and then the current trade that I'm in. If that's what you're referring to. So I was up earlier when I took a couple of shares profit here, but now it's gone against me, and it hasn't quite hit the stop loss here. So now we're just waiting for this thing to take us out, and then I guess we're done for the day. For stocks, I could probably play a game. I don't have too bad of a mood. General Electric. This is the thing to... I really have to go back and see... At what time did General Electric actually show up on the list? Wow, look at... Tesla, dude. Reverse that entire 15 minutes. That's strong. Looking for a reset that never happened. Alright, Texas Instruments were dead on it. This would have been my stop. This one didn't have follow through. Very interesting. Broke through this tail. I'm gonna give it a second to work itself out here. So, Pergobetty, did I answer your question? You didn't respond. I showed you my P&L, please respond. The one about why my P&L was two different numbers. Okay. Man, this thing barely moves, doesn't it? Well, fucking Tuesday got me again. Break of the low after 15 minutes. Abrupt stop. Has everything going for it. Daily's bearish. Bearish location. It's outside of the range of the previous day. ATR is increasing, so this just didn't work. The ultimate stop would be up here, but I changed my stop to be some a better risk for reward, and we're already past that, so I guess we're done. See if it gets above the open and closes there, then we'll flatten here. Assess the damage. It shows the whole amount, like, across all stocks on the chart that you're in. I've tried to see how I could change this area here to show it all, but I didn't see an option for that. I guess I'll look again after the stream. I usually open up my broker page in the background if I want to do that. Ah, fuck. Man, this thing is slow as molasses. What's the actual volume on this fucker? Not the information that I want. Volume's way below average today, but it is still above 1 million. But I let a cop shoot me, and I had to remove an arm. Not right now, not until we make better, fake limbs. Well, the right arm is what I used to jack off with, so definitely not that one. If I had to remove my left arm, then we can talk. So very interesting on this one. Tesla again. You cheeky bastard. What a whore. Well, there's the takeout bar you're looking for. What a bitch whore. Tesla took off my right arm. Well, I'm already past the point of my experimentation. I wanted to have a few months, and we're already past. I need to... I was hoping by December I'd be able to prove it, but I couldn't. So now I need to focus on going back to the office, but didn't work out last week with that interview, so I have to try another one. And the way that I try to trade now, if I do have an entry in the morning, I can still try to play the markets while, you know, keep that stop loss and everything engaged. And just let it fall where it may. And I can still trade in the morning. But I couldn't do scalps anymore. Okay, we need a low lower than that low. Or I could just do swing trades. Because if I do swing trades, I have a much better... a much better percentage. And a better risk to reward, because those are... I can really plan those things out, because you can really tell where the resistance and support levels are on a higher time frame. Alright, are we gonna get some follow-through in this bitch? Okay, what about our real play here? So this one would have taken out our stop in normal circumstances. So maybe we have to adjust again what we consider a stop, because this went... Let me see here. Actually, we were a little bit late, so let's see here. 162... 162.80... Yeah, I would have stopped this out. Alright, now we're looking for one more reset down here. Well, one good thing came out of yesterday was, Bitcoin's running wild. If that thing ever becomes what, the maximalists think it's gonna be, I'm gonna do quite well. Alright, we ain't gonna get our shit back in Tesla, but we're gonna make a... show of it. I've never traded Texas Instruments before, and it's on it's on NASDAQ. That's interesting. Uh-oh. Alright, got a little bit back in Tesla. We're not in as bad of shape. I'm gonna switch back to Texas Instruments here to see if we can get break even and then let the rest of it ride. Let's see, 162.19. Alright, I'm gonna let you do your thing here. Yeah, that was the one good thing yesterday, was Bitcoin. After all the gut punches, that thing, Bitcoin actually broke above a resistance level I was looking at. People got scared out on a sell the news for the ETFs. And I scaled in. That's the one that I'm holding long term. Alright, looking for a break even here. But this is giving me some more data, because this took out our stop, but didn't take out the original stop that I had when I created that strategy. So I'm gonna have to do some more debate. I'm not an entrepreneur. Why am I looking at the stonks? Stonks are for everybody. Do I need to have like a entrepreneur license? I need a piece of paper. Alright, let's get this thing out. We'll back in profit on this one. Hopefully you're having a good morning, Meep Man. We're doing another reversal here. So it had a little bounce. That's our winning position today. Tesla not doing so great, but I think we can probably do a little bit better. Alright, fuck Texas Instruments. Find something else. It's too damn slow. I'm gonna use this as, use this for some note-taking here. Might be a reshort available on Tesla. I want it to come up a bit, fail here, roll over. Maybe that'd be wishful thinking. I'm gonna use the restroom, I'll be right back. Give me a couple minutes. looking back at the stunks. At this point, we're probably gonna get another liftoff on Tesla. At some point. Alright, let's see. Square. Square is our biggest winner. But at this point, it's at a reset location. It's been running really hot. Texas Instruments had a bounce. No problem, I'm not gonna look at this again today. I got break even here, but it should have gone straight to target, and I had this strong bounce. I'm gonna have to use this as a learning experience. General Electric was the main winner, but I have to look at the footage after today and see when exactly it would have shown up on my list here. Because I completely missed the fucker. Alright, we're gonna get the, I'm gonna wake Jupiter up. Because I'm gonna be doing stuff in the background. Man, gee, fuck. Gee. Alright, PDD. Yeah, this shouldn't even be on the list. It is on the right location, but this, it opens down here. It's possible that it could break through it. But, looks like it's just gonna run long here. Tesla's still gonna be a bounce around here, so we just gotta wait. We're not down that much today. So there's still some opportunities here. Coinbase drop off, huh? Interesting thing about Coinbase is that I can't borrow against it. I can't do margin. To short it. It's kind of like Tesla back in the day. I couldn't short Tesla either. Okay, what's Microsoft doing? They have earnings today. That might be a good opportunity to get some capital back. So let's see, that had a steady sell-off into a good reset point. Yeah, it could be a little bit lower. It could get around the 15 minute. But let me put another alert here. Kind of prepare for if it gets to that area. Still have CVCO on my list from A-Carpet's investigation. What else could we take a look at today? That runs pretty good. Okay, D-Dog, let's take a look at that. Yeah, everything's just in a really awkward location. It's a pullback from a really strong Monday push. Can't short QCOM. Upstart. Same thing. Kind of a pullback. Affirm. Alright. Tesla again. Let me clear up some lines here. Could be a possible location for a bounce, but then there's also the 15-minute way down here. But considering that we had two higher lows here off that initial drop, I'm inclined to look for some type of long taking this out. So we're gonna have to wait a minute. D-Walk. Man, that one must have changed some lives when it initially opened, because this thing was tiny, and then it rocketed. mRNA, haven't looked at that one for a while. That one's not great either. What about Roku? Nope. Man, everything's just complete shit today. Alright, Tesla, what do we want to do with you? One minute looks bad. Got an area of support here. So I either want to see that low broke, or I want to see this high get taken out. Okay, what about Etsy? Etsy shit. CYTK. Interesting. Okay, let's see this one. CYTK 15 minutes. Okay, initial 15-minute bar. Oh, it already hit its, it already hit target. Huh, why didn't this one show up on the list? Oh, it's not moving? ATR isn't good enough? Might need to take another look at that that thing too. What about Celsius? Can I actually short Celsius? I can. Good. That's interesting. I can short this and not Coinbase. Yeah, everything's in between trends. DoorDash. In between. Yeah, today's a tough one. So this thing is making an attempt to break that support that was put in earlier. I think my target today is just to break even. I don't think we're gonna get profitable. Tesla took a little bit too much out of us that we kind of had to scalp back. Did okay in Square. Texas Instruments. That's quite the bounce in this one. But if it does break this low here, it might go down to target. We can look at that as well. Alright, so we got this at or below here. So this is coming to the original 15-minute period. Needs to break below this. Kinda like to play a game today. Maybe the Yakuza game that we stopped on. I'm just waiting for things to pan out. This is the joy of the market, sitting on your ass waiting for shit to happen. Ugh. Hopefully your workday is going good.
Hey Fragobiddies, glad to have you here. You're a dedicated badass for sticking around. Anything you want to chat about? Let's keep the conversation going.
What a pain in the ass Tesla was. Breaking above the open just to run it up a little bit and then drop off. Alright, Texas Instruments did not break below that original 15-minute period. Oh man, this is just painful. Maybe I need to wait for Microsoft's earnings today to get anywhere. Man, look at that nice, beautiful drop-off on Tesla. Could have had more out of that thing, couldn't we? Nexi, Carvana. In-phase energy is always a fun one. This one's kind of interesting. So we had the initial 15-minute bar. It's come down right around where we want to see some support. It also has the open period. Well, I'd want to see it break above here, retest, and then move higher. So let's put an eye, take a, just put an eye on this one. No entry trigger yet. Boring. No bounce in Tesla yet. Is there any other event coming today? Nope, we're done with news. And now we're running into that European market closure, and then things are just gonna die. So maybe we're just gonna wrap up stocks and have a little small loss, or we can have it in the background and just wait for these alerts to go off. So ENPH is running, trying to clear out some stops here. I think it's going to go up. We need that bottom to hold, and then we really have a clear signal. Jesus. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Waiting for some type of catalyst to come through. Alright, Tesla. What are you doing? Tesla's dying. Why didn't you die earlier when I had money in you, you fuck? It costed me today. Oh, bitch. You're a bitch. Not much movement. It's kind of hard to take your eyes off of this, though, and want to jump on a game when things are just going on in the background. I do have my alerts set for important things. Alright, so what do we want to do here? Let me think about this. The entire time I was looking for a reset down here. We might finally get it, because we did break through the 5-minute moving average. This is a pretty damn strong drop-off. And then we had a... This was the good entry point here. But if I go in now, I might get sandwiched. But this is a good entry point. Might be a little late on it now. Because it might get choppy all the way down if it does continue to go down. Because we have that previous area where it bounced all around down here where we got caught. Yeah, if Tesla ran like Square did this morning, we'd be in really good shape. This thing's just farting around. Me and PH were waiting for a break above, it didn't happen. Dying.
Hey there, Moon Watcher. It seems like you were talking about the sun and sunny weather.
Well, you said you were going to come on every stream,
the sun can be quite
so far
energizing,
I've got a
right?
good streak going.
Perfect for those
Good morning.
lazy days or outdoor adventures. Embrace the sunny vibes and let's make the most of it. Anything else you want to discuss?
That's quite the response for just a icon. He was able to recognize that one as a sun. The other ones came up as something weird. He didn't understand them. Hope you're having a good morning. Or wherever you're from. Afternoon, evening. Yeah, we missed our Tesla short. That was really it. If I go in now, we're gonna get some pain before a rollover happens. Alright, may as well have a video in the background. Let me look for something. Best fails of the
Chrome to
decade.
protect yourself from.
Alright. Yeah, he's kind of spotty on YouTube. For some reason, he doesn't activate all the time. But on Twitch, he seems to work. I never figured out why he was doing that.
Hey there, Moon Watcher. Dragon Divide wants me to give you another shout out. So, here's a big hello from the badass cat himself. How's it going? Anything you want to chat about? Let's keep the conversation rolling.
Oh my god! Oh my god! They're trying to headbutt me, bro.
I remember that one. Yeah! Thanks for the head pats.
rings, please.
Oh God!
Oh no!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Man, I've seen so many wedding accidents. That really sucks. I have one of those. Hopefully that doesn't happen to me. Oh my god, the petting doesn't stop.
Take it, take it.
There we go. Oh my god. Thought it would never end. You know how you like pet your cat and it becomes overstimulated and it jumps away?
And how much you pay for that taco?
Hey, yo, you know this, boy. He's got his free taco.
Whoops.
Stop.
Your cat jumps? Oh no. Absolutely no physical interaction with your pet. That sucks. Hopefully it has other redeeming qualities.
I'm here at Barry Island Beach, and there's no sign to stop.
My cat I can pet for like a couple minutes and then he'll be like, alright, I'm done, get off of me. Not a cuddle cat, but at least it's a way of reducing stress at times. Whoops. Oh Jesus! I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I've had work days like that. Alright, what are we doing? Looking around, scanning.
Up and over.
Nothing has panned out.
Crap. Uh-oh.
Tesla's still dying. What the heck?
Hey.
And now we're kind of in this...
You have to be kidding me.
Oh, man. So we haven't made it a little lower than this low. We did get rejected here, which means we might get lower here. Ugh. Could try, but we're not a great position. Maybe looking for a low break below here. Oh. Hair fell off.
Kaylee, you just won 1,000 followers. Get over here quick.
Oh my god, really?
Music, please.
Oh, that's rude.
What did you do?
Oh. Oh, God. Okay, I did a retest, it failed. Do I dare enter? What does a 1 minute look like? No, 1 minute's still pretty good.
Ready for impact.
So it's stuck in between. Oh, no!
Hey, Slam Dunk Contest 2020. Yes, sir. Oh! Oh, nigga, move!
Still trying to decide what to do with Tesla here. Does look like it's supporting. So made a low, retested, bounced again. So it's going up against a moving average here.
That is not a good sign.
Oh, and we got this thing to deal with.
I should never. Can you see it?
I just don't like any of our options here.
My girlfriend to cut my damn hair.
Oh god!
Hold on to it. Go. All right.
I think we've all seen this one, or some type of variation of people doing that. Alright, Tesla was a good quick scalp long, apparently. Missed out on that.
No, she's right.
Could do a re-short maybe somewhere here. Whoops. Damn, he even got on fire. Jeez. Holy god.
I'll show you how to Wu-Tang.
Alright. I'm doing stuff in the background here, so I'm not gonna be able to pay attention to all of these. Texas Instruments again is not great. Man, things have just got boring and dead now.
I thought for sure that was
Okay,
gonna
got the
end in a
same
face
thing
plant.
kind of going here. Want to see a break above here, retest and go higher. I think we hit that.
Just keep pulling. Oh no! Hold on to the rope.
So breakdown below, reversed, retested, got above. Suppose we should wait for a closing candle here. Jeez. Oh no. Oh shit, that's so bad. Oh god. Oh, why is that is such an odd place to put a train. Hello. Well, if I got reborn as an animal, I'd probably do that too. As a dog.
Holy
Alright, do we want to try this then? 1 minute, what are we doing? Okay, let's get a retest here. Break down, break up above. Did a retest. Doing another retest here. Don't want to see it break this low here.
Holy crap!
Obvious trend is down. But you have some support around this area.
Get down.
By night wings, do you mean the like on How to Train Your Dragon?
Nicely. Nicely does it. Good boys.
No way! I've got a video.
Ah, the Nightwing Dragons, huh? Well, Moonwatcher, these dragons are known for their sleek black scales and their ability to see in the dark. They possess the power of telepathy and are skilled in mind reading and visions. It's quite a unique and fascinating dragon tribe. So, Moonwatcher, what do you think about these badass Nightwings?
The gods have
Anything
spoken.
else you'd like to
You
know
need a
or
new
chat about?
clean, heavenly body wash with Native.
Hopefully that was your question. I assume that's what you meant. Alright, we're gonna try this long. I think I had enough information necessary to make a decision on it.
What?
That's ready? 2 girls?
Break down below. Reversed. Retested. Retested again. Into what target?
He's gonna speed on. Daddy, you're gonna flip the whole table.
Somewhere around here where it dropped off. Might take a bit.
Emma! Thinking he's a good guy. He probably won't even bite you but one time.
Oh, jeez. Oh, oh, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, currently nothing going on with our long here.
Someone does not launch a boat into the water. The boat's floating, not the car.
I am not good at ice skating. I will drag you down with me. Like that.
More. Curl the bucket. There you go.
That is a big ass rock. Holy wow.
What are you doing? Stop! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just got on
No.
video. I just got on video. Oh no!
Oh no, oh no, I got on video. Oh no! Shit, this is not working out for us.
Boom!
It should have, Could have continued higher. The fact that it didn't. Not good. We were up for briefest of moments. I didn't get snow this year. But occasionally I do. Not very strong. I was a fan of snow when I was a kid, but, when I need to drive and do all that going out and doing things, it's kind of annoying. But when you're a kid, you're like, yeah, no school. Alright, we're about to get stopped out on this. Dang it. Let's see if where it closes. How about yourself? Do you get a lot of snow? Oh, I've seen this one not too pretty recently.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
Aha, gotcha. Ouch. Hopefully his nuts didn't break.
Helmut, kan du sitte på?
Nej, kødder du? Jeez.
Snow, huh? Well, Dragon Divide. Snow can be pretty badass. It covers everything in a white blanket, creating a serene and magical atmosphere. Plus, it's perfect for some badass snowball fights or making snowcats, if you catch my drift. So,
Snowcat.
yeah, I'm all for the snowy vibes. What about you, Dragon Divide? Do you enjoy the winter wonderland?
Holy crap. 110 degrees. I like warmer climates than, what I've got. I get a lot of rain here. Decent summers, but, wish it was a little bit sunnier. The 110 is brutal. Whoops, he just knocked down the sign.
Something traumatic happened that changed my life. Check.
Oh, what? I didn't expect that. Oh, I've seen this one. Pissed off a farmer. Yeah, you're gonna kick his,
Folks, my car broke. My car broke down. Folks, my car broke down.
Oh, Nika.
Look.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you pissed off a farmer. Alright, what do we got here? This thing's trending side. Oh my gosh! What the? That last drop was forced. Oh, jeez! Whoops! What? Come on! You're trying to steal a chainsaw? Is that what it is? Wow. That's, quite the attempt. Ah, jeez. Wow. That's the reason why I don't like cold temperatures. Ah. Stole your lunch. Lucky I didn't steal anything else. Oh no! Oh! Whoops! Alright, let's see if we can get a little bit more of a pump here. Ouch.
So 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Instead of spitting it out, spit on her face. Jesus on an escalator, I can't. Jeez.
If you get it, send it to me.
Jeez, you actually broke it. Oh, that'd be fun. That would be really fun. Alright, still on the road to recovery here. Waiting to get taken out of EMPH. Tried to bottom bounce play, looks like it's working out pretty well. Still down for the day because Tesla kind of screwed me in the morning. But it won't be too bad of a loss. Oh, blah.
Nice.
It's happened to me before. What? Ah!
Пиздец, нахуй.
Another wedding oopsie, huh? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
All
Oh my
those
god.
tuxes and dresses ruined. Whoops. Adventure frustrations in traffic.
Yes. It's a book.
Ow! Birds attack.
Oh, Sarah, help me.
Oh, I've seen this one.
Sarah, help me. Nope. And my kayak's sinking. Sarah, I don't know what to do.
I can't help it. I'm sorry.
Can you get my...
Stand up.
No.
Yes.
No, it's too deep.
Oh my god.
Man, you can't do anything embarrassing anymore because it's just gonna end up online. Fine with me, because I'm a dragon, I don't care, but if for you humans, can't have an innocent child anymore. All your fails are gonna end up online. Alright, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. I was hoping this thing could get up to the 20-period moving average. Waiting to get my last lot taken out, then we're gonna have to look for another trade somewhere. How is that gonna fit? What is going on? Why is that area censored? He didn't have it actually out, did he? That's really weird. I keep forgetting I have a little cool drone too, and I've never taken it out of its package. I need to play around with it. Alright, taken out here. So 160 on EMPH. Could have had, maybe we should have done Tesla, because that would have helped us out a bit. Might be able to get a short in Tesla. So we'd be looking for a short somewhere here.
Holy fuck! I got that on video!
I'd still expect the price action to get down to its 15-minute here. So the 15 is probably going to keep moving up and up and up, and then there's going to be a reset. At least that's what my... trying to think. That is hilarious. Sucker punched in my hidey hole. Yeah, I think we've all done stupid things at Target playing around with the toys. Like I was fighting my friend with one of the toy lightsabers.
Woo, buddy.
Whoops! No one saw it, you're fine, right? Ugh. Damn.
Kitty, are you happy to see me? Ow! Ow! Ow!
Wow. Are you happy to
Guess
see me
not.
and get wrecked?
Alright, I got it down now.
Alright, gotta focus back on the market here. Let me see what's going on. So I'd like to see it stretch kind of up here and then get sold off, but I suppose this could also work too.
Great job,
Or a
Redman.
break of the low here. But that low might be a little bit too low.
No strain on your back?
Oh, so funny.
Down the bottom too. They can have a seafood in its life.
I'll just take all of them.
He stole the chips from me.
Greedy monkey. Alright. Might want to try a short here. But let's see how this thing closes. Oh, sheesh!
You sure you
You're old and your bones are brittle.
No, I'm stuffed.
Hello? Oh god, that's so dangerous, man. I was scared of these ladies. Back to that! Man, you could break your neck. Fun, but jeez. Should have waited for closure, but let's see if I can get something out of this. So we got a nice long topping tail here. Waiting to fall into my order. I don't know how far down this is gonna go, maybe to here. We'll have to be Johnny on the spot and close out our orders.
No use.
Alright, this is not a good optimal play. Alright, what are we down now? We're down 213, so that's easily doable, but we just gotta find a really good spot somewhere. Oh, what could go wrong here?
Whoop. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh!
That's not good.
Man, what else is going on here?
Whoa!
So we got square. Square looks like it wants to reverse. Maybe not.
Did you get that?
Okay, Texas Instruments was a play earlier. Didn't want to follow through the downside. Maybe it will this time if it has a strong collapse here.
Oh. Ow!
Oh my f.
Let me take a look at it on the daily time frame. Well, it's definitely in the right place to do a drop-off, but it also has this area where it bounced previously, so it has a little bit of difficulty breaking. Whoops!
Trying to take a selfie with you.
Ah, flamingo, bite your face. Alright, looking for an entry here. Maybe we could do this.
Get ready to buy.
Looking for something to break through this
show you guys a
blow
quick cool
here.
feature on this lens. It's got this lock mode that if you just
And then we'll put a stop above the candle that took us there. Could see it two different ways. It did break the low here, but then it made a new low bounced, made a higher low bounced. Hasn't really gone anywhere today, so you can look at it a couple different ways. Alright, let's try it.
Oh.
Stop here. Phoebe, take us to the promised land. I'm gonna cut you out of break even.
Kobe.
Yeah, there's nothing saying I can't take a little bit of profit.
Don't.
See if we can get to 200 here. Alright, let's get to $200 and then we'll call it good. Whoops! Whoops!
Eh, siling. Siling. Jaga!
Guys. Oh, stuck.
That's a really nice trend change bar. Whoops, whoops! Wow, even this part of the ceiling fell. Oh god!
This Kiwi Simply stuff is just so good.
Anyone who's doing like snowboarding or skateboarding, whenever they get drop on a pipe, that always looks painful as hell.
Oh my god, is he okay?
I was never cool enough to be a skateboarder.
Okay, das war's.
Ooh, broke the diving board.
Yeah.
This not making.
You just dropped the television? That was literally the most important thing you could carry down. Uh-oh, you're not a friend anymore.
Bro. Straight up panties on his face.
What? The guy had panties for a face mask? That's hilarious.
Are you good? Are you good? So good.
Alright, looking for a breakdown here. Still looking for that $200. We're down to 87 negative.
No!
That's so cool. Oh no, don't do that! Why would you put that on his crotch, dude? That's so mean. Oh, Jesus! That could have been bad. Whoops! You don't get your Facebook photo. Jeez.
I think this might have been a video time sector.
Holy crap! Alligator got his fish.
My.
That guy was fast, too. Man, they're a lot faster than you think.
Oh, there we go.
Gotta get some follow through here.
That's it. He's free. He's free. Oh, Marvel.
Alright, just about ready to stop myself out here. We're not getting follow through. I don't want it to go up against my position.
Depois deixa ele girar até ele parar, caralho!
Can I get a breakdown, please? Oh, man. Yeah, some, car garages are just really low. And I've had some fears of, scraping whenever I had, like, a large vehicle. Oh, no. All that work, it's gonna fall off. No, please, Jesus, no. Ruined. Alright, we're gonna have to cut this thing. It's not following through to the downside. Could attempt it again if it breaks below this low here. but I'm not really interested in playing it back and forth. I wanted a consistent drop.
Oh, he leaking! He leaking! Oh!
The can was stronger than the car. Jeez. There's the joys of snow right there, Moonwatcher. Oh god, yeah. Looking for a break here.
Oh my god!
Okay, I got one more lot.
Sweaty
Kind of disappointing this thing didn't just keep going. Let's hang on. It's a long day. Oh, jeez, why? Oh, I was lucky. Oh. Man. Cat in the box, baby in the box. Ow. Alright, I exited my position, I wasn't getting follow through, taking too long. I gotta wait for something substantial now. So what do we got here? Hard to tell. Broke up and above, got this. We haven't broken below it. And there's some trend to the downside now.
You're right.
Mad.
It'd be kind of a risk to short this still.
You okay? Are you alright?
2 minutes left for close. Alright, looks like we could have shorted it. Missed it. Maybe in the next candle, if it pushes up and rolls over, we can do it. Oh no! Blocked all Ferraris. Alright, scanning around, we got Square dying off again. Texas Instruments bouncing like I was concerned about. EMPH was a nice bounce play. Might be able to short it a little bit, but Coinbase. Now, Bitcoin itself has done pretty well today. Wow! You didn't have much time to shoot, did you? You got your ass wrecked.
Oh, what?
Not bad.
15 minute looks good.
What?
But I'm so close to breaking even here, I don't want to commit and try to hold.
But then you tilt. But what the score is, if you go back...
Still got 20 minutes on this. This is a long video.
Then start to bleed.
Oh, great. Oh, shoot.
Ja pierdolę, co ty zrobiłaś, nie?
O ja pierdolę.
Alright, so Texas Instruments did bounce. Things are a little bit all over the place, and we're starting to slow down. Plus, it's downhill. What a short that would have been, man. God damn it, they really screwed me. Guess I should have waited for a higher high after this, huh?
Bad choice, bad choice. Come on, car. Oh. I might have a bit here.
I might have fucked up. My car! Texas Instruments is rolling over. But it hasn't broken the low here. It could be a retest. Need to see a swift break. Whoops.
Oh my god.
Dang it, what a short that would have been. I'm so pissed off at myself.
He's drunk. Oh, don't drop it on the floor. What's wrong with you? Hey, say bye to everyone. Hey, say bye to everyone. Oh!
Now what, do we bet on the downside? Kind of a low volume here.
Don't you?
Oh, what's... Alright, I'm done with this. So what are we doing here, man? I was hoping to get an easy in and out, but today has been anything but easy. Kind of debating on stopping and coming back later. Ow, saw this coming, damn it. Alright, let's see, made a new low, broke up and above, retested, broke up and above, tried. Wanna try a long here? The market's not agreeing with you. The other big thing today is Microsoft's earnings, and that's really what I'm looking for. That's probably going to put us over the top if we can. can play it. Let's see, Microsoft made a low, reversed it, doing a retest right now. Short-term trend is down. Long-term trend is up. This is actually a perfect position to go long. So we have to have some validation here. And this is a pretty expensive stock, so I can't really buy all that much of it. Okay, we don't need much more out of this to... Let's see. Broke down below, reversed it, bounced. Can't get above this yet, but we might be able to. 4 minutes left on candle closure. Suppose we wait until this is broken, and then if it pulls back, we could buy it and go long on it. Waiting. Fucking fun. Okay, we do have a bottoming process here. 3 minutes left to closure. Tesla's still doing its drop-off. Man, we could have had so much money today. Oh, they just had to sweep the high there, didn't they? Didn't have a nice clean rundown like Square did. Pisses me off. Oh, Microsoft, that's why we wait for the close. Although it's tough to wait sometimes. Alright, everything's going down, so now what? Where does that leave us? Never broke the low. Where's the 15 minute now? Still pretty far away. We could chop around here until this catches up. Square's falling off. Texas Instruments still not breaking down, it's holding its own. Microsoft is not bouncing. Although it's in the right position to do so. If it can immediately reverse this candle, that might show a sign. There's Texas Instruments, damn it. Okay, let's get a pull back into here. Maybe we could look for one more long. Man, I need to pee again. Still looking for the last $100. Where are we gonna get that last $100? Today's a fucking wash unless I can get lucky with Microsoft earnings later. Oh, speak of the devil, Texas Instruments. What are we doing here? Are you gonna do a complete bar takeout now? It's hard to tell because you can either say, oh, this is gonna be a takeout or this is gonna be a retest. All a matter of perspective until it actually does its thing. Oh, Jesus Christ, man, come on. What happened to Microsoft? Microsoft's dead. Alright, well that was a lower low. Can I still get in short? Alright, how far are you gonna go? See, this is what I hate, God damn it, you better not revisit your candle here. I see the market came to a bounce point. You never know when that lower low is gonna be that reversal turn. For Microsoft, it's already below its turning point. Alright, make a lower low, just a little bit lower, please. Okay, Tesla hit its point for that bounce that I was looking for earlier. See if Microsoft can give me a little bit more money here. I want a quick follow through here. Follow through. Follow. That's good. Got one last lot left. One last lot. How are you gonna... Where are you gonna close this off? Got 1 minute left for this candle close. How are you gonna finish this off? Got a little bit of a tail here. 20 seconds. Gonna follow through, or are you gonna bust up? Almost getting ready to flatten here. Get a little bit lower here. Give me the $50 and I'll flatten you. There we go, $50. Okay. So now what are we down to? 67. So we need $67 somewhere to break even. So we're playing that game today. Really long, shitty game. But at least you get to see me do this. So you got to see a little bit of everything this week. Saw me take a loss, and now you see me claw back from the loss. Maybe tomorrow you'll see me win. Although we already have a few wins already on the live stuff. That's not that important. Man, Tesla would have been good. We got Tesla on the 15-minute. This is right where the thing should be bouncing. This is the high of yesterday. You want to kind of preserve that high. This is a hell of a drop, though. Alright, 3 minutes left on this candle. We'll let this thing close off. And then the subsequent candle that comes next, let's see if it drops down and has a little bit of a retest, and we'll get in on that one. And then ride it to the break even, and then I'm done. But first I gotta pee. I gotta pee real bad. Give me a minute. Alright, we're still in battle here. Game plan is to break even and then have a mental reset for the Microsoft earnings. Okay, that's not a very good bounce, but this is around the place where I'd want to see a bounce. Oh man, the market's really fucked up now. This may even sell off. Didn't want to see a topping tail. Okay, I just want to see a real quick gain here. Really bad positioning. Yeah, bad positioning. We are down a little bit, though. Although we do have a tail here, but I didn't want to see this happen. Oh man, fucking pain. Strangely enough, Texas Instruments is not broken. Alright, try it. Let's see if we get this last bit here. That tail gave me, confidence to at least try something fast. Now we are getting a bounce. Market is selling off pretty hard, though. It's really running. Come on, Texas Instruments, roll over, please. Hey, you're not rolling over. Stop right there. Crap. So what's it gonna be, man? Alright, fuck you, god damn it. Alright. Probably back up to $100, huh? Yeah. Oh, you reversed my shit. What makes you so special? Look at Microsoft, why can't you be a good boy? What the fuck? You are bucking the trend. Bucking the trend and fucking means reverse. Alright, double bounce on Tesla. Wait for candle close. Texas Instruments, you fucking piece of shit. Calculated the best way to fuck me. Oi. Market's still rolling over, man. Why is Texas Instruments so special? It's in the prime position to go lower, too. A lot of back forth in this chop zone. Texas Instruments still going up, man. Unbelievable. Looking for a bounce somewhere with Tesla, but we're way past the point that I was expecting. God damn it, Texas. Boo. Alright. Could this be it? You made a low lower than that last low that you bounced from, which is what you want to see. Come on, Broseph. Don't piss me off, dude. Okay, you did it. That was fast. Damn, that was fast. Still looking like a sell-off. Get ready to flatten. Three minutes left. Come on, I believe in you. You're not making it. 2 minutes left. Texas Instruments, man, you're fucking blowing shit out of the water here. I can just see you on the top left of my screen running. Tesla's about to drop the bottom. Alright, yeah, the rest of the market's going down. I gotta flatten this thing. He's still holding. But I see the market is dying here. One minute left. Couldn't break it, huh? $20 seconds left. Take it. Alright, I still can't trust you. I'm moving this thing up. Ugh. Hurry up, dude. I want to take a nap. Fucking thing's taking too long. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Ah! You tricked me. Come on, man. Ugh, sit up. Market is bouncing here. Tesla might want to take some stops before it reverses. So I'm getting ready to flatten here. Not good for me. Three minutes left? Yeah, fuck. Now what? God damn it. This may not be a winnable game. Man, Texas Instruments, look at that bounce. Fucking A. Mean pH. Tesla again. What a wipeout. Could be a stop taking move. One minute left. Microsoft has a bounce point. Where is this in relation? Oh man, we're way off the screen. Ah, goddamn. Yeah, that's a lot to break through. You're gonna have to break up and above, retest, and go. That was a hell of a drop-off right there. I should have held it. Kinda like what Texas Instruments did. I don't want to bet to the downside any further, though, when I'm seeing a bounce in the overall market. But based on the chart, I want to. Keep going. Keep going. Here, I'm gonna give you some encouragement. Keep going. Saw a bounce coming. Now what? Yeah, we didn't get much out of that. Man! Shit sucks. Let's see if it breaks above this high here. That might be a good reversal point. Texas Instruments, are you coming back down to Earth now? Have you had your fun? Yeah, you have to break this before I believed in you again. Anyone else playing ball? PDD? Looks like it wants to recover. Made a low here. Attempted multiple times to break through it, couldn't, so it bounced off of it. Really strong candle off the open here. Above the 20 period moving average, it's still gonna probably chop around here a bit, but it looks like it wants to recover at this point. But it's been in a tight space for a long time. But the encouraging thing was this. Holy shit, someone keep me occupied. Come on, man, take out one of my shares. One of my lots. You're whiffling. Waffling. Okay. Now run. You're so damn close, dude. And I bet if I manually, do a market smash, you're gonna fuck me somehow. Shit. Alright, we know where our breaking point is. You didn't push when you should have pushed. I mean, you were right there to break that, break past that high, and you didn't. Two minutes left on this candle. Oh, God. Shit makes me bored and furious at the same time. Bleh. Alright, man, anytime now. Looks like Tesla did its thing. Alright, Tesla broke this high here, now we want to see a reset. This could be the bounce we were looking for. God damn it, PBD. Lower than this high. Alright, fuck you. I'm tired of dealing with your shit. What a waste of time that was. could have been a retest. I'm not super confident. I mean, it did retest that high. Might have been too slow for that. This is interesting. I don't like that tail here, though. Shit, missed that Tesla move. Oh, PDD would have frustrated me to no end. Look at that crap. Ah! We're not gonna break even today, are we? Might just have to throw in the towel and then try Microsoft earnings after a nap for a couple hours. Really wanted to just close out on this fast so we could play games or something, but damn. We're frustratingly close. But we're just doing a back and forth here. See this is a retest now. See if it breaks or it bounces here. This might be our ticket out. But this was our loss today. It could have been a big win, but it made another high before it rolled over, but I didn't get the bulk of that short. That drop off. So I got short here, but it whipped around, thought this was a good entry. Nope. Made a new high, then I made a short, but we're still down too much. So we did do a retest here. Got 1 minute left till it closes.
Sure, Dragon Divide. Here's a badass joke for you. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Now that's some atomic humor for you.
I've
Hope
heard
it
that
brought
one.
a smile to your face. Anything else you want to chat about?
That's an old joke. So we got opposing tails here. So we gotta wait to see if it makes a new low or if it actually holds this one, and then we're gonna have to get this thing removed. Oh man, I really want to be done with this. Alright, searching around, what do we got? Square has a bottoming tail. It's been really beaten up today. Texas Instruments, we've been waiting for this thing to break, it never did. No follow through on it. EMPH, no bounce whatsoever. It actually broke through the initial candle. That's crazy. So you're gonna get runoff sell-offs. Microsoft found a place to bounce. Still not in a good place, but we might have a low here. At least until the earnings. Okay, can't get too many shares of Microsoft though, it's too big. So I don't know, man. We're just sitting here. We got things pretty close to break even, but then I had a bad turnabout. Three, two. What did Tesla do? Okay, another bottom in Tesla. Is this gonna be the one? Double test? Still got 2 minutes on this candle, who knows what's gonna happen. The market's not really bouncing all that much. But double bottom details are good. Okay, where would this need to go if I only had 100 shares? This will get us there. Oh, Jesus fuck.
Welcome back, Pragobiddies. It's good to have you here again. Ready to dive
Hopefully
into
work
some
is
more
going good for
badass
ya.
conversation? Let me know what's on your mind, and let's get this chat rolling. Hey Pragobiddies, hope you had a good lunch break and
Does your
managed
lunch
to
break,
recharge for a bit. Now that you're back, let's continue our badass
count
conversation.
as
Anything
your work
exciting
time, or do you
happened
still have to
during your
fill
break?
in extra
Or is there
hours after your
something
lunch
else you
break?
want to chat
Because usually
about?
I just skip my lunch
Let's
breaks
make
if
the
that's
most
the
of our
case, because I
time
don't like to
together.
stay at the office too long. Here, I'll turn off the cat. Some of those hourly jobs, you can take a lunch break. You have to work the remainder of the time, and sometimes the lunch break is included. I mean, I don't know if you're salary or hourly. I'm just rambling. I'm bored as fuck. Alright, we're gonna wait for another retest here. Ugh. Getting close, but no cigar. Double top at the bottom. Scalp it up here. Want to get a retest. Scalp it again. Alright, we've re-entered. Shit's going against us. Market's making a new low. be a little bit concerned. And Texas Instruments finally rolled over. What a prick that is. Alright, what are we doing with Tesla here? Might have to give it up. Yeah, it's making me low, isn't it? You cocksucker. Double tap the bottom. If I see it break that tail, I'm gonna exit out. Can't tell what's going on with this. Lots of shit going on all over the place. Shit. This thing didn't follow through. Come on, baby. You've already tried and you failed. Just give me some money. Still down on Tesla. We only have the bottoming tails to help us out here. But now I need to break even on this because this thing is gonna tank. Please give me another chance. Alright, I'll take a loss on that one. We're gonna have to wait for this thing to break. Focus on this piece of shit right here. So we got a good drop off. Looking for a continuation. Come on and die. Tesla broke the low like we thought. Now we're waiting on this piece of shit to die off. Wow. Don't give me no bounty bullshit. You know you want to die. You kidding me right now? Fuck, I'm gonna have to exit. Yeah, Mike, the market looks like it made a low here. Really strong bottoming tail. But we saw that last time, too. Man, I am gonna have to flatten this. I can't have this thing take away those gains. Really depends on where this candle closes here. Okay. A little more confidence here. Got about a minute left. Shit. That was a clean drop off. No follow through. Damn it. We got suckered. Now what? New candle creation. Fuck. Yeah, I'm not gonna trust you until you get down here and actually break it, because the market's bouncing. You're just trying to sucker me in again with a bigger share size. Yep, there's a bounce. Alright, we're done. It should have broke, it didn't break. Bottoming tail. I think we're done here. So we're taking a minor loss today. Tried my best to bring it back, but we couldn't quite do it. We're down 150 bucks. Might be able to get it back with Microsoft. But that's going to be exceptionally dangerous. I'm going to have to do that one offline. And see if my entry gets tagged. Tag, 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 tag. Alright, we're just gonna get chopped up. Alright, I think I'm done. I'm gonna book a small loss today. I am gonna try the Microsoft thing. Let's make sure it is today. It is today, so I'm gonna take a nap so I have my full energy, but I'm kind of emotionally exhausted. Yeah, good games, but the fucking Tesla didn't have a nice, clean, short, like Square did. And instead it made a higher high before rolling off, so that really fucked everything up there. So not today, and we didn't really get a good entry. Texas Instruments was one, but it didn't continue, it didn't hit target, so that one's dead too. Whole lot of nothing on a Tuesday. What else do you expect from Tuesday? Yeah, fuck Tesla, fuck them. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm exhausted, I can't do it anymore. Alright, bye-bye.